Hello friend, in this lecture we will do a hands-on to demonstrate the type attribute in the ordered list element in HTML. Now in our previous lecture we have described the different values for the type attribute in the ordered list element. Now here we will use all these 5 different values for the type attribute in the ordered list element. So here is a sample code to demonstrate the type attribute. We have 6 different scenarios here. In the first scenario, when type is not specified. Second scenario, when type is equal to numeric 1. Third scenario, when type is equal to an alphabet in uppercase. And the fourth scenario is when we have the type as alphabet in lowercase. Likewise, we have the fifth scenario with the type as Roman 1 in uppercase and the sixth scenario with the type as Roman 1 in lowercase. Now, when this code is rendered in a browser, it will be displayed as shown here. Means when type is not specified or when type is equal to 1, in both the cases, the list item marker will have the ordering with a numeric value. That is, it will start with 1, 2 and it will keep on increasing. But when we have specified the type as A, in that case the ordering will be an alphabet in uppercase. And when we have specified the type as lowercase alphabet, in that case the ordering will be done using an alphabet in lowercase. Likewise, when we have specified the type as Roman number 1, then the list item marker will be displayed with the Roman numbers in uppercase. And when we have specified the type as Roman number in lowercase, in such scenario the list item will be displayed with the Roman numbers in lowercase. Thus in all these 6 cases, it will always start with the initial values and keep on increasing. That is, it is in the ascending order. Now let's switch into the HTML editor and write a code to get a better understanding about the type attribute in the ordered list element in HTML. Let me create an HTML file with the name as type attribute demo.html. The first statement will be the doc type, then we'll have an HTML element inside which head element, inside which we will have the title element. Let the title be type attribute demo. Now in the body section, let me have 6 paragraphs. Let me have the content of the first paragraph as when type attribute is not specified. Let's have the content of the second paragraph as when type equal to 1. Let me have the content for the third paragraph as when type equal to A in uppercase. And the content for the fourth paragraph is when type equal to A in lowercase. Likewise, the content of the fifth paragraph will be type equal to Roman 1 in uppercase. And for the sixth paragraph, let it be when type equal to Roman 1 in lowercase. Let me have an order list just after the first paragraph. Now here we want to have 2 list items, that is apple and banana. Now to put the list item, we have to surround it with a list tag. The first item be apple, likewise the second item be banana. Now copy this and paste it after each paragraph. So this is how our code will look like. Now before we proceed further, let's save this and right click to open in default browser. When this code is rendered in a browser, we can see that in all the cases the list item marker is a numeric value, that is it is starting with 1 and then 2. It is in the ascending order. Now let us go back into the HTML editor and apply the type attribute. Let me apply the type attribute here as numeric 1. In this case, let the type attribute be alphabet in capital letter. And in this scenario, let the type attribute be an alphabet in lowercase. Likewise, here let the type attribute be an Roman number in uppercase. In the last scenario, let the type attribute be a Roman number in lowercase. Now save this, go back into the browser and refresh the page to see the changes. Now let's refresh this page and we can see the changes as shown here. Thus, when the type attribute is not specified or when the type attribute is specified with a numeric value, that is numeric 1, we will get the list item marker as displayed here. That is, it will be having a list item marker as numeric value in ascending order. And when we have specified the type attribute as A in uppercase, in that case the listing will be done using an alphabet in uppercase. For example, A, B and so on. And when the type attribute is an alphabet in lowercase, in that case the numbering will be done using an alphabet in lowercase. Likewise, when the type attribute is a Roman number in uppercase, we will get the numbering using a Roman number in uppercase. And in the last scenario, when we have specified the type attribute as a Roman number in lowercase, in that scenario the numbering will be done using a Roman number in lowercase. So this is about the uses of the different values for the type attribute in the ordered list element in HTML. Thank you for watching.